guys, the song was done on A sharp or B flat. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, and I played two licks here. I played a lick on the. Now let's look at the progression of the song first. The progression of the song is do Yesue, do Yesue, 1. Oh son so, that's your 5. Oh son so, your 5. Oh re, that's your 2. Mi fa, your 4. Then back to do, that's your 1. Yesue, Yesue, your do, your 1. Oh son, that's your so. Oh son, now cron re, that's your 2. Then mi fa. Okay, so I played the lick on re and fa. Okay, so I ran from re to my fa like that. Okay, so when you are playing a song and you want to play a lick on re, you can use this lick. Okay, and you want to play a lick on fa, your 4, you can also use the second lick that I will play on fa. So the first lick on the re progression, that's the C minor, was re la do re re. Okay, re la do re la re mi mo la mo re zi la so fa. On the re, let's go again. Re la do re la re mi mo. Okay, la mo re zi la so fa. Okay, re la do re la re mi mo la mo re zi la so fa. Okay, that's the lick on the re. So when you're playing a re note and you want to play a lick, you can use this lick. Okay, and on the fa, I played. Instead, it started from. It ended at fa. Okay, re la do re la re mi mo la mo re zi la so fa. It ended on fa. Okay, fa note, because from the re, Yesue, Yesue, oh son so, oh so, oh re, then fa, mi fa. So I ended on the fa. From the re, you go to fa. So when I played the lick, I ended the lick on the fa. That's how you should play a lick. When you are playing a lick, this is a note that you must take it serious. When you are playing a lick, make sure it lands on the note that you want to play next. Okay, so on the fa too, when I ended on the fa, I further went on to play a lick on the fa. So I played, okay, like a hammer. I played a hammer on to the fa, from the mi to the fa. So mi fa. Okay, okay, so I played mi fa do, mi fa do. Okay, mi fa do la. Okay, mi fa do la. Okay, mi fa do la do mi la. Okay, mi. Okay, mi fa mi. Okay, fa mi fa mi. Okay, on the fa. So mi fa mi do la do mi la. Okay, mi fa mi do la do mi la. Okay, do mi la. And I played do fa mi, mi fa mi, mi fa mi, mi fa mi, mi fa mi, do la, do re la, mi fa mi, do la, do re la, do fa la, do re mi. Okay, like that. Do re mi. Okay, so it's mi fa. So that's what I played on the fa progression. Okay, so in sum, this is what I did on the way to the fa. Okay, so I played so mi. Okay, so okay, okay, so yes we, yes we, oh so, oh so, oh so. Then back to those. Okay, back to those. Yes we, yes we, oh so, oh so, oh. So basically that was what I did in the song. Okay, so you can also learn this lick and incorporate it in your worship songs. Okay, so this ends our lesson today. See you in the next lesson. Kindly subscribe and like and give me a comment. Okay, see you in the next lesson, and tap on the link to join my Telegram group. I have posted PDF there. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.